about to do aerial twist?
No.
No fair?
No.
Beat the fair.
What a shape.
Take it down.
Welcome to Las Vegas Morning Kung Fu channel. Today we're gonna present you a tutorial of aerial twist with simple steps. This video I made for my friend Andy. He left many comments. He asked me months ago want to get this A twist tutorial for him. Today finally I made it. When you go aerial, your head you do an upside down. So a lot of people have a fear about to do A twist. Today we're gonna teach you how to do A twist safe to beat your fear. Let's go. Step 1, cartwheels. Aerial twist. Step 2, aerials. Right, so now we're going to number 3, the third step of aerial twist. So we will have our students to show how to use their both hands to do cartwheel on the mat, and they do 90-degree twist. Either they fall flat or stand up. Let's go. Or you stand up, okay? 加油. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, all right. Right, you gotta twist both feet. Got it? Yeah, twist a little bit more, like a full flat, not kick. Yeah, just we want to practice the twist. Got it? Yeah, try 2 feet together, like a your cartwheel, 1 leg, 2, and twist. Okay? Yeah, like a really do twist. Yeah, that's great twist. Yeah, you can do push your hand a little harder, twist a little bit more. Right? Better. Go. Yes. Okay. Oh, better. Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, aerial twist. Yes, but try aerial. Don't mix with a butt flag, okay? Aerial twist. Yeah, that's great. Aerial twist, and they have a special technique. When you do aerial, you have to upside down. When you do aerial twist, you need a very fast speed. You can achieve a good aerial twist and landing by your feet. But a lot of the time, because your height with a very short distance with the ground, it's very hard to have that speed to achieve aerial twist. But there have some trick to help you. So we need a little bit simple training and to get to the next step to help you achieve aerial twist today. Let's go to the next step. So we'll have my student to show you how to aerial over this right pants peg. So it's very important to create the distance, and I tell you why after that. Go. Better. Good distance. Hey, student, good job. So now we're going to go to the last step. So once we got a good training for cartwheel, aerial, now you have the good distance. So why we needed to create that distance? Because once you do aerial twist is different than B twist. When B twist, your head right flat of your leg is straight. But once you do aerial twist, your head down, upside down. So if you don't have the good speed to achieve the aerial twist and landing by your feet, and everybody will be scared. So you're feared about you falling your head on the ground, right? So how we can to beat the fear? So we have to create that distance. Once you have that distance, you have a longer time in the air. You have enough time to twist, so you can landing by your feet on the ground to achieve the aerial twist. All right. So try the best. So to keep good running, to keep good kick, to keep good twist, and landing by your feet with that distance. Do you guys like to try?
Yes.
Are you guys fair about to do aerial twist?
No.
No fair?
No.
Beat the fear. Yes, let's do it. Okay, 加油. Yeah. Okay. It's good with the twist. So go 45 high. Nice. Very good. Yeah, don't landing your knee, okay? Don't landing your knee. So as somebody mentioned, that's right. You go 45, and also you need a little bit take off on the higher. If you just twist too quick, and then your distance is actually still short, so you have to aim a little bit far and higher. So that will help you. Of course, you need to have a really speed and good twist. Once you got your waist, you have to have a good twist. Okay? All right. So let's try one more time.
One more try.
Yeah. Twist. Almost. Have a little bit speed of a twist. Go far. 45. Okay. Almost. Go. Nice. You say that's a good distance. Yeah, that's good distance, but your leg a little bending. Try straighter, right? One last time.
Yeah.
Okay, one last time. Aston, you'll be the last one. Okay. Okay, try your best. Try good twist and two take off. Oh, nice. Yeah, almost. You go too far, but your leg is bending. You gotta try higher, right? Ayo. Nice. Okay.
Action.
Thank you for watching. I hope you can achieve aerial twist fast. And please stay safe. Please play safe. So follow those steps. Don't be too hurry. So if you cannot walk, please don't run. If you cannot run, please don't jump. Stay safe. Follow those instructions. Believe me, you will be achieved in one day. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out the new videos. Just like this one. I see you in next video.
Bye.
Guidance from our class, a minute are, very fun. To Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial of aerial kick. The first thing you have to have is the carving. I have a few ways I want to show you how to get the aerial kick fast. Aerial kick, so you should find somewhere safe. From high to low, and to go with your two hands, and you go one hand, then finally without your two hands, but you need a really good kick. All right, with speed. So with the martial arts way to do aerial kick, your hand will be very important to lead you. You swing, bring your height, go down as this, go down as okay, like this way, aiming this leg, have to go straight line this way. So we go aiming. So that's the intention was we roll a kick. Yeah. Our student to guide aerial kick hitting kick. Right hand, same. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Hope this helped you, and I see you next video. Thank you.